My name is Chris, and I am from Colorado Springs in Colorado. This is actually my second experience with China. The school has been wonderful in working with my students and teaching them to better their Chinese. They meet the students where they're at in terms of language, so different students have different groups so that they can learn as much as possible while they're here in the 2 weeks. The instructors have been fantastic and are so great to work with in terms of working with the kids and supporting their learning. Being in Beijing with Go Abroad China is a great experience. Beijing is a big city, and Go Abroad China is so helpful in making sure that students find their way, and I, as the host, or as the chaperone, find my way. The experience with the host families is phenomenal. We, every day, have a daily enrichment activity and our field trip where we go out into Beijing and we see the Summer Palace or Tiananmen Square, and Go Abroad China organizes all of that. It is taken care of for us. It has been wonderful. They feed us lunch every day, and every day is different and delicious. In Beijing is such a wonderful culture being here in China and getting to experience the history of this great country. I highly recommend Go Abroad China.